In the name of Allah, the gracious, the most merciful. Very, very good morning, students. Today, we will discuss about dominant relations among alleles. Dominance is a physiological effect of an allele over its partner allele on the same gene locus. There are four types of the dominance relations among alleles. Number one, complete dominance. Number two, incomplete dominance. Number three, codominance. And number four, overdominance. Dominance relations among alleles. Dominance, it is a physiological effect of an allele over its partner allele on the same gene locus. Types of dominance, there are four types of the dominance relations. Four types of dominant relations among alleles, each indicating the different style of their functional effect upon each other. They have various types of the functional effects upon one another or upon each other. And so, four types are: number one, complete dominance; number two, codominance; number three, incomplete dominance; number four, overdominance. These are the four dominance relations of among the alleles. Now we discuss about first dominance relation, that is the complete dominance. When one allele for example capital R is completely dominant over the other allele, for example small r, the presence of recessive allele, is functionally hidden. So the heterozygote for example capital R small r show the same round phenotype, as homozygote. For example capital R. This is the capital R small r. Two alleles are present. One allele is dominant and other allele is recessive. But when this combination is present, it is just like homozygote phenotypically. Capital R small r shows round phenotype, as well as homozygote also shows the same round phenotype. When the true breeding round seeded plants are crossed, with the true breeding wrinkle seeded plants, we get all the round progeny. Wrinkled progeny is not produced in this class. It is hidden. See over here, capital R, when capital R is completely dominant, over small r. When we cross the homozygous round variety, this is the true breeding round seed plants with the true breeding wrinkled seed plants. This is the true breeding or homozygous round. This is the homozygous wrinkled plant. One is taken as a male and other is taken as a female. This is the P1. When gametes are formed, same type of gametes are formed because the plant is homozygous and these gametes contain capital R and the female gamete contain the small r allele. And so when they combine, when fertilization occurs, we get capital R, small r genotype, and this is the F1 first female generation, and this plant is round seeded. So the wrinkled phenotype is disappeared, is hidden. Only the capital R shows itself and small r is masked. But when F1 offspring makes the gametes, these two different alleles are segregated again. And so in the complete dominance, the presence of recessive allele is hidden. And so we see that the phenotype of the capital R genotype and the capital R small r genotype is same. Capital R is also round plants and capital R small r is also a round plant, and so this is the complete dominance of one allele over the other allele. The contrasting pairs of alleles for all 7 characters chosen by the Mendel showed complete dominance. After Mendel, further breeding experiments were carried out on different plants and animals. Many strange phenotypes and phenotypic ratios were observed that could not be explained on the basis of complete dominance. Thank you very much.